How to fix can't enable memory integrity in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix can't enable memory integrity in Windows. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to fix this issue, you will need to open up your registry editor. To do that, simply search for registry editor on your search bar and then hit OK. After you open that up, let me just close this. Let me go back here. Okay, so after you're here, what you'll then need to do is head over to your HKey local machine. Just follow whatever I do. Expand on this HKey local machine. Then after that, expand on system. After you do that, head over to current control set. Expand on that. And inside that, again, expand on control. After you've expanded on control, then you will again need to find another folder called device guard. So search for device guard. There we go. This is the one. Expand on that. So after you've expanded on device guard, you'll find scenarios. If you expand on it, you'll find different folders again. The one that we want is this hypervisor enforced code integrity. If you don't have it, select on scenarios, right click there, tap on new and tap on key. After you've done that, you'll see this new key where you'll have to name it hypervisor. Make sure that you have done this you've named it the same as I've done it. Enforced code integrity. After that, hit enter. So since it already exists in mine, I cannot rename that. But yeah, just rename this. And inside this hypervisor, you'll need to create a new value that is the word value. Right click on this empty space. Select new and select the word value. Now here what you'll need to do is you can name this, we'll just name it a bit later, but just double tap on it and change this value to 1. And inside this you can tap on OK. And for the name, what you'll need to do is you will need to name it enabled. So simply right click here, modify or rename and name it enabled. Then you're done. And after that, you can simply restart your device and you're good to go. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.